Welcome to the UMP for State Admins course. We are now in topic 1, create an entity. This topic will guide you on how to create a new entity on the UMP application. This is the UMP login page. Let us start by logging in. Upon logging in, the user dashboard appears. Now, click on the configurator tab. A page opens where you can add an entity. This page is divided into two sections: entities list and add entity. The entities list section lists all the available entities, and the add entity section will allow you to create an entity. To create an entity, first, select the parent entity linkage. Then, enter the name of the entity. Select an entity type from the drop-down. The options in this drop-down will appear as per the selected parent entity. Next, enter a description for the entity. Select the state from the drop-down. On entering all the details, the Create button gets enabled. Click the Create button. And your new entity is created. You can view the new entity in the Entities List section. Here is the entity that we just created. You can also deactivate the new entity by clicking the toggle button. You have now learned how to create a new entity on the UMP application. Click Exit to end the training or restart to replay it.